POV, you're my wife. You've been noticing that I've been taping myself to walls lately to increase my testosterone and overall endurance. See, honey, something you don't know is that I'm joining a pilot program for Emperor Elon Musk. He's testing a large tube cannon that fires humans at high velocity across the city to get them to the workplace faster. I think back at the time we met at the Yeti store. You were buying a triple insulated coffee mug for $400 and I was buying an ice chest for $2,000. We both laughed when we realized they each said Yeti on them, and we said, "Are Yetis even real?" Then we kissed and got married 2 weeks later. The odds I make it through the program are very low. You know I'd give my life for Mr. Musk. I told you that when we first met at the Yeti store. I know we have 15 kids, all different ages, but all the same size. And I want you to say goodbye to them for me. Tell them Daddy gave his life so someday they could be shot out of a cannon to their work. And to you, honey, I'm gonna miss you the most. Gosh, I don't know what to say, except thank you for loving me, and I hope they have spaghetti in heaven. I love spaghetti.